Imagine a recipe that's simple, filling, naturally sweet, and completely guilt-free. No flour, no added sugar. Just 3 humble ingredients: oats, apple, and banana coming together to create a dish that's as nourishing as it is delicious. Today we're going to dive into this wholesome recipe step by step. But we won't stop there. We'll also uncover the secrets behind why it's so good for you, the science of its natural sweetness, and how you can customize it to fit your lifestyle. By the end, you won't just know how to make it, you'll understand why this might become your new favorite breakfast or snack. So let's get started. 1. Ingredients and why they matter. Let's begin with the stars of the show. Oats, a powerhouse of slow-release energy, fiber, and plant-based protein. They've been part of human diets for thousands of years, fueling farmers, athletes, and everyday families. Apple, crisp, juicy, and full of antioxidants. Apples bring both natural sweetness and texture. And remember the old saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away? There's real science behind that. Banana, nature's energy bar. Rich in potassium, vitamin B6, and natural sugars that don't need any processing. Bananas add creaminess and a rich, mellow sweetness. And the best part? You don't need flour or sugar. The oats provide body, the banana provides sweetness, and the apple brings balance. 2. Step-by-step recipe. Here's how to put it all together. Start with half a cup of rolled oats. Place them in a saucepan. Add 2/3 to 1 cup of water or milk of your choice: dairy, almond, oat, or coconut. This is your base. While the oats heat up, dice 1 fresh apple into small cubes. No need to peel it, the skin holds much of the fiber and nutrients. Once the oats begin to simmer, stir in the apple cubes. Cook gently, stirring occasionally, until the oats soften and the apple releases its juices. Finally, peel and slice your ripe banana. Add it to the pot after turning off the heat. The warmth will melt the banana sweetness into the dish. Stir it all together and you've got a warm, creamy, fruit-sweetened oatmeal bowl. 3. The science of natural sweetness. Now, why does this work so well without sugar? Bananas contain natural sugars: glucose, fructose, and sucrose that break down quickly and provide fast energy. Apples add fructose too, but with fiber that slows absorption, preventing blood sugar spikes. When combined with oats, which digest slowly, you get a balanced release of energy. This means fewer cravings, more satiety, and a stable mood throughout the day. It's not just sweet, it's smart nutrition. 4. Flavor boosts and variations. One of the best things about this recipe is flexibility. Want it spiced? Add a sprinkle of cinnamon, nutmeg, or cardamom. Want crunch? Toss in walnuts, almonds, or pumpkin seeds. Want extra protein? Stir in a spoonful of Greek yogurt or nut butter after cooking. Want tropical vibes? Replace the apple with mango chunks or pineapple. This dish is like a blank canvas, you can paint it however you like. 5. The history and culture of oats, apples, and bananas. Oats have been cultivated for over 4,000 years, especially in Northern Europe where the cool climate made them thrive. Today they're a breakfast staple worldwide. Apples, originally from Central Asia, spread along the Silk Road and became symbols of health and knowledge. Every culture has its own apple legends and dishes. Bananas trace back thousands of years to Southeast Asia and the Pacific. Cheap, portable, and naturally packaged, they became one of the most traded fruits on earth. Bringing these 3 foods together in one bowl isn't just a recipe, it's a meeting of histories. 6. Health benefits. Let's break down the benefits of this dish. Heart health. Oats contain beta-glucan, a soluble fiber that lowers cholesterol. Digestive health. Apples bring pectin, a fiber that feeds good gut bacteria. Energy and recovery. Bananas are rich in potassium, helping prevent cramps and aiding muscle recovery. Weight management. High fiber and natural sweetness keep you satisfied without overindulging. This isn't just breakfast, it's fuel for your body and mind, making it fun and family-friendly. This recipe isn't just for health enthusiasts, it's perfect for families. Kids love the natural sweetness and parents love that it has no added sugar. Let them choose toppings like raisins, coconut flakes, or berries. Cooking becomes fun and eating becomes even better. So there you have it, a simple, no flour, no sugar oatmeal with apple and banana. It's a recipe, but it's also a lifestyle choice, a small daily habit that can add up to big changes in energy, health, and happiness. If you enjoyed this recipe and want more healthy, easy ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. And let me know in the comments what topping will you try on your oatmeal first? Until next time, stay healthy, stay curious, and keep cooking with love.